Hello, I'm John, and today we have a model from Atlas to take a look at, so let's head over to the workbench.
Alright, so here's what we're looking at today. This is an N-scale X72 boxcar. This is by Atlas, and it comes from their Master series. I'm looking at Atlas's website off camera here, and I see undecorated versions going for $18.95, and the decorated versions go for $23.95. There's at least half a dozen different road names on this website, so your best bet would be to go to the Atlas website and see if they have what you're looking for. I've scrutinized the paint job with my magnifying visor and found it to be pretty perfect. Even the tiniest writing inside the COTS block is all legible with magnification. Other than that, you can see it has molded end ladder details, and the detail around the door is also molded. Looks very good. Taking a look at the brake end, you can see it has a separately applied brake wheel, and this crossover platform looks to be molded. Though it could be separately applied, it's plastic. And then you can see it has a knuckle coupler here and molded ladder detail, right, to either side of the brake wheel. And this tack board is, in fact, a molded piece. Taking a quick look at the other side of the car, you can see it has similar detail and very crisp printing. You can even tell that it was built in March of 1972. That's right over here. 372. The A end has the same kind of detail as the B end. Molded ladders, molded tack board, and such. And something else I'll point out while we're looking at this is just the pattern of the mold down here. This kind of detail will take weathering really well, and you can make every seam of this pop really well, especially with a wash or weathering powders. And then, of course, the reporting marks here on the end also are very crisp. Looking at the top, you can see that it has this overspray. And this could look like a mistake, but this is commonly done on models because in some cases, when these were repainted, they weren't masked on the top. So you got overspray like this. So that's actually a prototype-specific detail that looks really good. And finally, we'll take a look at the bottom here. You can see that there's a lot of molded brake detail in the bottom of this car. And this is a great opportunity to point out that these are, in fact, truck-mounted couplers.
I think Atlas has done a very good job with this model. And I have to say that the most impressive part to me is how good the paint is. Not only did the green cover really well, but all the printing, even the smallest printing, was legible. So good job, Atlas. I'll see you next time.